take a look at this frame-off restoration 1941 Willys NB. This entire Jeep is basically brand new with only 13 miles on it since the renovation. It does, however, have the original frame and drivetrain, including the T84 transmission and a gear drive L-head 134 cubic inch Go Devil 4-cylinder engine. Brand new engine parts include new wires, plugs, distributor, fuel pump, fuel lines, new intake, and exhaust manifold with a new muffler and pipe as well. All the electrical is brand new, new lights, and much, much more. During the full frame-off resto, this owner sandblasted and ensured there was not a speck of rust anywhere. And they replaced the tub, fenders, windshield, grille, all the body parts, gauges, seats, pretty much everything you see here. The owner spent 3 years restoring this timepiece, but now it's for sale in Vancouver, Washington. Read the full write-up down in the description below and check out jeepwillysforsale.com to see all the pictures and contact the seller. If you want to see more Willys like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button.